If your pebble shower floor is looking dull or grimy, it's time for a refresh. The best cleaner for pebble shower floor surfaces will gently lift stains, soap scum, and build up without damaging the natural stone's texture or finish. Number 1. RMR Shower Floor. The RMR Shower Floor Cleaner delivers a powerful, no-nonsense approach to tackling the persistent problems of mold, mildew, and stubborn stains in bathrooms. Designed with a professional-strength formula, this product wastes no time in addressing unsightly discoloration on tub and tile surfaces. What makes RMR stand out is its ability to work quickly, beginning to break down stains almost immediately upon application. It's particularly effective on surface stains, but it's important to note that when mold or mildew has seeped beneath caulking or sealed areas, additional measures such as removing and replacing the caulking might be necessary for complete stain elimination. Despite its potency, RMR remains gentle on grout and tile, ensuring no discoloration or damage occurs during the cleaning process. The fast-acting, no-scrub formula offers convenience for those who want quick results without excessive elbow grease, although multiple applications might be needed for deeply set stains. Made in the USA, the cleaner is developed by experts committed to high-performance, reliable cleaning solutions. Using RMR Shower Floor Cleaner does require a bit of precaution. Good ventilation and protective equipment are recommended to ensure safety, and it should always be kept away from children and never ingested. This makes it better suited for adult use in well-ventilated, managed cleaning situations. Its ability to refresh tired, stained bathrooms makes it a worthwhile addition for both homeowners and professional cleaners alike. While it shines on visible surface mold and mildew, customers should be aware of the extra steps, sometimes needed for stains hidden under sealed areas. Overall, RMR's Shower Floor Cleaner impresses with its efficient stain-removing capabilities and reliable performance, particularly in homes dealing with frequent bathroom moisture issues. The professional-strength formula, combined with easy application and effective results, secures this cleaner as a dependable choice for maintaining clean, bright shower and tub areas. Number 2. Forget Shower Floor. Forget Shower Floor offers a refreshingly simple and gentle approach to tackling bathroom buildup and soap scum without requiring tedious scrubbing. Designed for weekly use, this cleaner is perfect for those who prefer a maintenance-based cleaning routine over aggressive, deep clean scrubbing sessions. The application process is straightforward. Simply spray the product onto surfaces, leave it for 8 to 12 hours, and rinse it away with warm water. For those dealing with heavy buildup or older grime, daily applications are suggested until the surface is restored. One of the standout qualities of Forget Shower Floor is its versatility across various surfaces including glass, porcelain, fiberglass, metal, sandstone, and tile. While not suitable for natural marble, this cleaner handles most non-porous bathroom materials effectively, making it an adaptable product for multi-surface care. It's particularly helpful in keeping hard water stains and calcium deposits at bay when used consistently. While it's primarily a surface stain remover, repeat use can help diminish marks on caulk and sealed grout, though it may not reach mold or mildew that has penetrated deeply. What makes this product especially convenient is its no-scrub formula, allowing users to maintain their bathrooms with minimal effort. For severe calcium buildup, a pre-cleaning step is recommended, which means it's best at maintenance and light to moderate cleaning rather than heavy-duty grime removal. Nonetheless, for everyday users seeking an easy, non-abrasive way to keep showers looking fresh, Forget Shower Floor delivers dependable results. The absence of harsh fumes or aggressive chemicals makes it a user-friendly option, though a small spot test is always advised before full application. Number 3. Dupont Mold Shower Floor. Dupont Mold Shower Floor Cleaner is a thoughtful, surface-safe option tailored for those who need to address mold, mildew, and grime without risking damage to delicate stone and tile surfaces. This product stands out by offering a specialized formula that won't degrade or discolor natural stone materials, making it one of the few cleaners suitable for use on marble, granite, limestone, travertine, and other premium finishes. Beyond stone, it also works well on ceramic, porcelain, and glass tile, which adds to its versatility within both home and commercial spaces. DuPont's cleaner leaves behind a clean, fresh scent after each application, enhancing the overall experience and leaving the bathroom smelling pleasant rather than chemical-heavy. Its safe spray formulation is suitable for use on both interior and exterior surfaces, expanding its usefulness beyond showers to countertops, backsplashes, floors, and walls. This product particularly benefits those who have invested in luxury stone surfaces and need a trustworthy cleaner that won't strip or dull finishes over time. While it's effective in dealing with light to moderate mold and mildew stains, for severe or deep-set stains, multiple applications might be necessary to achieve desired results. It's not a no-scrub solution but does minimize the effort typically required for stone-safe cleaners. The product's reputation for protecting grout integrity and surface polish makes it popular among professional cleaners and homeowners alike who prioritize both safety and appearance. Dupont Mold Shower Floor Cleaner is a niche but essential product for households with high-end bathroom materials where standard chemical cleaners aren't a safe option. Number 4. RMR Xtreme Shower Floor. The RMR Xtreme Shower Floor Cleaner is designed to tackle some of the toughest buildup and grime in your bathroom with minimal effort. This powerful cleaner works instantly to dissolve soap scum, limescale, calcium, and hard water stains, making it a highly effective solution for maintaining your shower and tub surfaces. One of its standout features is the no-scrub formula. Simply spray it on the affected area, wait for a few minutes, and rinse away the dirt and buildup. This quick, easy process is perfect for those who want to restore their shower to a sparkling finish without putting in excessive work. While it's effective on a wide range of surfaces including stainless steel, fiberglass, porcelain, and tile, it's important to note that the cleaner should be tested on a small area first, especially on natural stones or sealed surfaces, to avoid any adverse reactions. The foaming formula helps to break down tough stains without the need for scrubbing, but for severe cases, a second application might be needed. Number 5. Black Diamond Shower Floor. The Black Diamond Shower Floor Cleaner is a specialized, eco-friendly solution for cleaning and enhancing the natural beauty of a variety of stone surfaces. With its pH-neutral, biodegradable formula, it provides a safe and effective way to clean delicate materials like marble, limestone, and travertine without causing any damage. This cleaner works especially well on polished concrete, slate, and porous stones, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor surfaces. What sets Black Diamond apart from other cleaners is its ability to restore the vibrant colors and natural elegance of stone surfaces, especially when used regularly. It helps maintain the appearance of luxurious surfaces, ensuring that your floors and countertops retain their original luster. The product's eco-conscious formula makes it safe for the environment while being gentle enough not to harm stone or grout, making it a great option for those who want an earth-friendly yet powerful cleaning solution. A little goes a long way. Just 4 ounces of concentrate mixed with a gallon of water can provide lasting results, making this a cost-effective choice for anyone maintaining stone surfaces in high-traffic areas. Trusted by stone care professionals, Black Diamond offers superior performance without the harsh chemicals often found in traditional cleaners. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.